Welcome to Marine Traffic, the global ship tracking intelligence provider. This video will show you how to use your Playback service. On the live map, click on the Playback icon in the toolbar to prompt the area Playback control box to come up. You can then zoom in the desired area, select the starting time and the duration, and then start the playback to view all vessel activity. For this to work, you have to make sure that the zoom level is 10 or higher. You can check the zoom level in the address bar. Once you are in the playback mode, another menu will appear that will allow you to fast forward the vessel's movement by clicking on the plus sign, slow down the vessel's movement by clicking on the minus sign, or reverse the vessel's activity and see them moving backwards by clicking on the 2-arrow sign. Furthermore, you can select whether you want the tracks, the names of the vessels, or the speed to be displayed too by clicking the appropriate box. Click on the arrow on the top to hide the selection boxes and click again to make them appear. To go back and do it all over again, click on the arrow located on the left side. Alternatively, you can select your fleet. This option will replay the tracks of all the vessels included in the fleet you have selected. The map will automatically zoom to display all the vessels of the fleet. Or search and select a specific vessel to replay its tracks. If more than one vessel is selected, the map will automatically zoom to display all the vessels of the list. Or select one of the predefined playback demos to review the capabilities of the tool. The demos available include some indicative cases where a playback may be required, such as high traffic areas, port close-ups, regattas, and incidents. To exit playback, simply click on the X button located on the top right corner. For more information on how to use playback or any additional help in how to use your services, please check out our knowledge base at help.marinetraffic.com.